told he couldn't have the beer. You should have seen what happened. They told him you have to wait another 16 years before you have a beer.
This lad, who is also clearly underage, also has books on his bike. The box kind of like the doctor's, isn't it? There's medicine there.
Oh no, pub. If I was ever given the choice of the pub or the doctor, I would pub. Seriously. They're not going to give you bad news though.
That's it. Let's ask Daddy. He'll know what to do. Departments have medical training. They say never work with children or animals. But right now we're throwing caution to the wind and doing just that. Giving them the job of making us laugh. And it's not just grown-ups who have dogs as their best friends. Toddlers love them too. This lad's giving the family dog a kiss. He doesn't look too pleased about that. And to be honest, I think that's disgusting. Toddlers' mouths are full of germs. This toddler is being chauffeured around by a dog. Look, he's actually steering it. What's he driving? A Rover? Sorry about that. No, it's much more sporty. Something like a Pooch 911. Really?
I don't know what this toddler is playing at. Because my mum told me when I was a kid, never get in the car with a stranger. And the hairier the stranger, the more dangerous they are. So this kid's great at getting in that car.
I know all paintings have got a tail behind them, but that is ridiculous. I'm surprised she didn't get the dog to stand in paint or walk on the paper. Then it might get in the National Portrait Gallery.
You keep giving your child doing that. I can't imagine anything better than that. The dog's just sitting there like, yeah, that's what I have to deal with. Brilliant. Absolutely lovely.
The thing about a dog, if he didn't like it, he could move 6 inches. But he thinks, I'm alright, I'm confident.
You can use your dog's tail for a paintbrush. But whatever you do, don't tell it that it's about to go on a walk. Otherwise, your whole house will get redecorated.
These two are very excited that Daddy's home.
Daddy!
Or maybe they're just working up their new dance routine. Brilliant stuff. I really enjoyed that, guys. Encore. Marvellous. However, this little one is more of a cat person. Now, I know the cat in the hat, but the cat in the cot is taking things to a whole new level, although it's definitely not something I'd recommend.
I was dressed in some weird top with no armholes, and someone put an animal the same size as me in my bed. Well, you better put an extra straight napkin on me, is all I was going to say.
Did he keep you up, don't you? I like the kid in the weird sort of Maggie from The Simpsons outfit, just like a little star. This is a cat. So excited.
Time for some more unusual animals now, like these goats, who already have to put up with sharing their pen with some chickens. Having a toddler in there as well really is the last straw. Goats are real head cases, and dangerous role models for kids that try to copy them.
Well, that's funny. But it's funny because if I was a kid, I would have done that.
There's something fishy going on in this clip. I have a feeling it's not actually dead. Yeah, told ya.
Absolute slap round the face. Like a good old Barbara Windsor in a Queen Bee.
Fish are smart when they look. Fish look a bit silly, but fish like that, they play that, they think, if I'm going down fine. I'm going to give some of them whack crackers.
Do you want to see a child get hit in the face by a fish? Yes. Do you want to watch this clip 50 times in a row? Yes. The only thing that can make the clip better is that if he hit the kid's face the other side, he would have fallen into the sea.
And sadly now it's time to pick up the toys and put them away. But I think you'll agree that toddlers really do make you laugh out loud. Especially when they do something hilarious in front of a camera.
Everything is awesome as one of our favourite toys gets the Hollywood treatment today on Channel 5. Catch the Lego movie at 5:05. But it's over to the Moggies for more funnies before that, as the funniest ever Crazy Cats take over next.
The show that you hate to love, but can't bear to miss is back.
It's amazing. Never ever get a tattoo blindfolded. Ever.
The brand new series of Just the Two of Us starts Monday at 10 on MTV.
England wants the consistency in Test match cricket, particularly from the batsmen. These kids always bring a lot of quality and a lot of efficacy. We're in for a cracking summer.
Pakistan is a very young team and they're out of this into the England.
In summer, Australia and England is about restoring some pride.
England were world champions. This is the time for them to take their cricket to another level.
One year on the highlights will be the